Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing fantastic. Check it out. I haven't been in the bike lately. I haven't been feeling well. And you know, when you have back issues and stuff, it kind of affects your riding style. I think Manny's saying hi. Hey Manny.
Love you, brother.
You love your papa?
Yeah.
Yeah, he loved me this time.
I love my mama too.
You love your mama too. I get it. Say hi, Fabian.
Hey.
Hey. Anyways, I haven't been riding my motorcycle a lot, but I took the car to get clean because Stacy was telling me, hey, you got to clean the car. You got to clean the car. And I've been working a ton, so I just took it to a place and they got it clean for me. So I figured that because it's clean, I kind of do like a walk around on my 2014 Chevy Silverado LT model. So again, it's not going to be anything crazy. It's just going to be a quick walk around so you guys can see it, because I've been doing a lot of motorcycle videos as well as this kind of videos, and it would be kind of nice to kind of have like a base, you know, like a base video on how the truck actually looks. The weather is horrible. I just watched, oh, actually I paid for this car to be watched, and it looks like it's going to be raining. So let's take a look at it from the outside, and then we kind of do the inside, which is actually one of my favorite things on this truck. So like I said, this is just going to be a quick walk around. If you're looking to buy a 2014, so far I gotta tell you, it's a pretty decent truck. This is the LT model. It has a 5.3 V8 engine. Is the flex model, is the one that actually goes from V8 to V4. Look at the front. I love the front. Now some people like the black front or whatever it is, but I do love the front like this. I like the chrome. I'm a kind of like a chrome guy, kind of do. So again, obviously every year is different, and again, you know, every truck is different, but again, this is a 2014 Silverado LT crew cab, shore bed. And I'm gonna tell you, when I got it, the guy told me that was the LT Model 2, and I think the model, I don't know what's the deal with the Model 2. I don't know the difference between a Model 2 to a regular LT. Again, I have no idea, but I don't even know if that's a real thing or not. But again, he told me it was the LT Model 2, and you see it right there. Look at the rims, man. Love those rims. I believe the 20-inch rims. I love the floorboards. They're really nice. They don't come out anything like that. They just stay there, and I like him a lot. I wanted to get the crew cab because I have a bunch of kids, and again, you know, having a bunch of kids, it's nice to have the crew cab. Really, the bed, I don't really do crazy work with the bed or anything like that, so I just obviously I wanted the bed to transport things, but I wasn't looking for anything crazy. I mean, those guys did a good job with the truck. Obviously I got this cover. I love this thing. I think it's called, I don't know, I don't remember if it's called Rhino or something like that. I'm gonna start towing pretty soon. I'm thinking about buying a trailer, so pretty soon I'm gonna be doing some towing vehicles or towing videos, and again, you know, videos regarding RV and things like that. All right, Manny's calling my name, so let's see what's going on here. Hey buddy.
Love you, Papa. I want a new seat though.
You want a new seat though?
Yeah. And me.
But you love Papa, right?
Yeah.
Say, I love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa and Mama.
You love Papa and Mama?
Yeah.
Nice.
And TV.
And TV. You love TV too?
Yeah.
That's Grandma?
Not my TV. And roll at the bike.
Ooh, you love everybody. That's very nice of you, baby. And let me kind of show you this side right here. Okay, we're looking at the truck from this side now. Very, very nice. And now we're gonna do my favorite thing, which is the inside. The moment that I saw this truck, I knew I wanted it, but the moment that I actually, man, it's getting dark. The moment that I actually opened the door and I looked in the inside, I was like, I really want this truck. And let me know what you think down in the comment section below. But here we go. All right, so here's the inside, and you see this right here. I love how he matched that with the color. Obviously, you see the color right there. I don't know if the guy did that. Whoever I got it, obviously I got to use. I don't know if he did that from by himself. Like he actually, I don't know. I don't know if the truck came like that or not. But you guys seeing all the little red in the inside or, you know, burgundy kind of style color. You see that over there. You see it here. So again, all those little details made the truck look so nice. Obviously, this is an old truck, guys. So, you know, things like this, I don't even know what that cover is. I got to figure it out. But again, you know, I got everything here. Power locks, you know, all that stuff in here. Or not power lock, power sitting to move the sitting. I love this right here because this allows me to lock the windows and also lock the door for kids and things like that. Obviously, that's really nice. Let me come here. This right here, obviously you have a ton of information here, ton of stuff. I like the fact that I'm able to kind of like heat up the seats or not. Again, this is not really a review or anything like that, but I kind of wanted to show you in the inside of the truck. Obviously it has leather and, you know, it looks really nice. I actually like this back here, that you go actually lift this up, and when you lift it up you have another seat right there, and it's actually a compartment right here too. But I like that because it allows me to put another kid right there in the middle, right? So again, sometimes my mom visiting or whatever, 3 people in the back, 3 people here in the front. Not the most comfortable thing, but again, you know, it's very doable as well. So again, really nice truck, guys. I like it a lot. Let me kind of open the back. Obviously you got my kids right here, but say hi, Manny, again. Hi. But again, you know, you can kind of see how Fabian is almost my size, and he kind of like sits right there comfortably. And again, you know, this is one of the reasons why I said trucks like this are great for family. I feel like a lot of guys are missing that out. You know, I feel like a lot of guys don't understand that a truck like this could be a great family truck or a family car. People think that trucks are just for work and they're not, I don't know, nice or whatever. Trucks nowadays, 2021, are amazing. Actually, 2014, they are amazing, and they could be utilized for a lot of different things, you know, and it could be a family truck as well. Look at that. I think it's about time to go home. It's gonna pour, guys. So anyway, I'm about to head home. Let me know what you guys think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.